Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the AirPods recording ready. Charge them above 50% and pair them to the camera or phone. Once paired, make sure the device audio input is set to the AirPods. Many cameras require a phone intermediary. Position the AirPods near your mouth, speak across, not into, to avoid plosives, and pick a quiet room. Also, make sure any noise canceling or voice isolation options are enabled so the captured audio stays clear and focused during the shoot. Next, build the actual recording chain. If your camera cannot accept Bluetooth mics, use a phone as an audio bridge and record separately. Open your chosen app and explicitly select the AirPods as the microphone, then choose a higher bitrate and sample rate for fidelity. Once you press record, create a sync reference, clap once or play a short tone so you can align tracks later. Make sure you monitor levels briefly and adjust distance until peaks avoid clipping. Then continue to record your takes. Finally, stop and back up the audio right after each take to two places, phone and cloud, so you never lose a track. Import audio into your editor, align it with the video using the clap or tone, and then trim and apply gentle noise reduction and EQ to restore natural presence. If you find audio missing or out of sync, check Bluetooth connections, reconnect the AirPods, and, if needed, replace with the backup recording and resync. One quick reconnect often fixes dropouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.